Welcome to your Bulgarian dream, nestled in the peaceful and charming village of Voditsa. Imagine waking each day to the gentle whispers of nature, breathing in fresh air, and soaking up the tranquility of a picturesque Bulgarian countryside. This beautiful Bulgarian property offers you that idyllic lifestyle at the incredibly affordable price of only €14,500. Located at the serene end of the village, this property promises not only tranquility but also a strong connection with nature and a welcoming community. Voditsa village, in the delightful Targovishte region, perfectly blends the calm of rural life with easy access to urban conveniences. Just a short drive from Popovo, and conveniently located near the historical cities of Veliko Tarnovo and Ruse, this property provides the ideal balance of peaceful living and city convenience. Voditsa itself is no ordinary village. Known widely for its exceptional mineral water, the village offers an abundance of natural resources. The water here is crystal clear, fresh from deep within the Balkan mountains, providing potential health benefits and enriching everyday life. Surrounding the village, you'll find lush greenery, fertile soil, and forests perfect for leisurely strolls and hikes, or cultivating your own garden paradise. This lovely property, offered as a freehold, awaits a caring touch to transform it into your perfect home. With just a little love and care, you can easily bring out its full potential. The solid structure of this traditional Bulgarian property offers a wonderful canvas upon which you can create your dream living space. The property spans 2 stories and provides generous living space. On the first floor, you'll find rooms ready to become a cozy kitchen and welcoming living area. There's also an older bathroom ready to be updated, and a basement ideal for storage or turning into a small wine cellar. The second floor houses 2 airy bedrooms and an additional spacious room, perfect for a master suite or perhaps an inviting guest room. Step outside and discover a generous land plot of 1,550 square meters. The garden areas are dotted with mature fruit trees and grapevines, promising bountiful harvests in your own backyard. Picture yourself cultivating organic vegetables or designing stunning landscaped areas filled with flowers and pathways. Perhaps you'd like to build an outdoor dining space, known locally as a mahana, where you can enjoy leisurely meals beneath the stars with friends and family. In addition, the property features several useful outbuildings that could easily be converted into workshops, studios, or even guest accommodation. There's ample room to unleash your creativity and realize all of your countryside dreams. Owning a property in Voditsa isn't just about enjoying the peaceful rural lifestyle. It's also a smart investment decision. Bulgaria's real estate market is growing rapidly, and properties like this one have significant potential to appreciate in value. Plus, its location and the popularity of Bulgaria as a tourist destination open doors to possible rental income from vacationers or long-term tenants. When purchasing property abroad, understanding the buying process is essential. Typically, you would begin with a deposit upon agreement, followed by payments for notary and legal fees, and a small property transfer tax. For any support throughout this process, professional help is readily available. Nyama Problemi Ltd, a fully licensed building and property management company based in Popovo, is the ideal partner to assist with every step of your journey, from initial purchase to ongoing maintenance. Nyama Problemi Ltd is trusted by European and non-European buyers alike, offering clear guidance on the differences and requirements for purchasing property in Bulgaria. Additionally, your experience will be enhanced by 2 excellent online resources: the established bgHouse website and the innovative new Bulgarian properties.co.uk platform showcase properties clearly and uniquely. Bulgarian properties.co.uk is currently launching stunning mobile applications available for both Apple and Android devices, providing seamless and engaging property exploration from anywhere in the world. We encourage you to explore this exciting new way of viewing properties and invite your valuable feedback as we refine and expand the platform. Back in Voditsa, your future home is almost complete. It simply needs your creative vision, a bit of love and care to become the perfect retreat or permanent residence. With a property this promising, the possibilities truly are endless. Picture yourself living in harmony with nature, relaxing in your garden, harvesting fresh fruits, or perhaps starting a small organic farm. Imagine friendly neighbors, welcoming gatherings, and a simpler, healthier way of life. All of this and more awaits you in the charming village of Voditsa. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Contact us today to learn more or to arrange your visit. Your new Bulgarian adventure, filled with promise and potential, is ready and waiting for you. Okay, these songs are just to add a little interest. Feedback would be nice, or even suggestions. Let me know.
I've planned it for years. It's now becoming clear. Bulgaria's calling me. It's now time for me to leave. I'm leaving my old life behind. Gonna go and live my life how I want to this time. Now I can shine. Starting over, now's the time. Bulgaria, I've arrived. Dreams I've planned for years, I'm here. So many things in life to do. Now my dreams will come true. Starting over the way I